Where are we going?
Chick-fil-A.
What are we gonna try?
A new sandwich.
And?
A new milkshake.
Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
What do you think it's gonna taste like?
It's going to taste like the milkshake.
Like a milkshake? Is it caramel flavor? I think it might be. Oh, that's your grilled sandwich. All right, let's see.
You get me only mandarin oranges?
No way.
What does it look like on the bottom? Oh. Ooh.
May I have my drink?
All right, so this little piece of chicken fell off. I'm gonna try it. That little tiny bit of pimento cheese on it was so good.
You know what they should do? They should take a...
Did they
Wow.
not give us sauce?
It's like so good. It's a little bit spicy from the jalapenos on the bottom, but the honey kind of evens it out. And the cheese is so good. It's so messy. It's dripping all over. It is so good. It almost like melts the cheese. Not even really, but it like melts the sauce on it. The cheese is still like not melted, but the sauce melted all over it. It's so hot. It's so good.
Did they give us... I
Beef
said
strips.
jalapeno.
It's not on this
Don't
corner.
eat that one. Eat the
Have this
side,
corner
right
right.
here.
What do you think? Is it good? Is it good?
I'm okay, buddy. Thank you.
Do you like it? Would you have another bite? Want another one?
That one now is
Okay.
jalapeno.
There's no jalapeno right here, right in the middle.
Right there.
Right in the middle. Honestly, I feel like the jalapeno makes it. I would get extra jalapenos next time. Because there's like one jalapeno for this whole rest of the piece. So like it needs another jalapeno.
They're like
I'm also a big fan of the parfaits. They're so good. If you look at it, it's like you can see like the vanilla bean in it. Those little black. It's really good. All right, so the first one you're trying is which flavor?
Peach.
Okay.
I
Try
had to
it.
think about it. That's peaches and cream right now.
All right,
So
try the other
good.
one.
They don't drink all mine.
I don't even want to try anything else.
Try the caramel.
I don't want to. That's so good.
Don't,
That's the best thing they
Dad,
got.
don't drink all mine. Don't
Eat your
drink-
chicken,
Don't
Bubba.
drink all of it.
I don't want to drink it. I just want a taste of it. Okay, so like it's good, but this is better.
What does it taste like?
Do you remember when you were a kid when you used to get those candy canes and they had like a Hershey? You ever see like the Hershey ones? You
No.
never had that?
No.
This tastes legitimately like butterscotch. Like a butterscotch.
So not caramel.
Try it. Flavored candy cane
right,
or a
let's see.
butterscotch candy cane. That's exactly what it tastes like.
I remember at Old Town in Stanford.
That is not what I was expecting caramel crumbles to look like.
No. It tastes like butterscotch, doesn't it? Now try this one. Now try that one.
It's so weird. It's
not
almost
bad.
like milk
not
chocolate.
bad. Way better. You didn't know it. I saw it in your face.
No, peach is good.
So good.
Can I take a little sip?
It's definitely like artificial peach flavor, but there's
doesn't
also
matter.
chunks of peach.
It's like, it's so good. I don't know how to explain it.
Can I take a
No, because you haven't eaten your chicken. Keep eating your chicken and I can give you a sip.
It's so weird.
I don't like the candies. Like, I would get that mixed with either chocolate or vanilla. No, he gets nothing until he finishes the chicken.
It's okay. I wouldn't get it again. Okay, so which one do you want to try first? Peach or caramel? Peach. Is it good? What do you like about it?
taste.
All right, now compare it to the caramel. So you like the peach one better? Try the caramel one more time.
I like it too.
You do like it?
Yeah, but
Did you get any of the crumbles in your mouth?
I did. I got a few.
A few crumbles. Did you like the crumbles?
Straight for the chair.
He likes the peach one better.
I bet he does.
Would you get the caramel one again? Peach only. All right, so my overall rating, I would definitely get that pimento chicken sandwich again. It was so good. I would even get extra jalapenos on it because I just thought it needed a little bit more jalapenos throughout the whole sandwich. I'm not really a fan of pimento cheese. That was good. Maybe it was because like on crackers, there's not enough to like distract you from the fact that it's mayonnaise-y cheese. I don't know, but on the sandwich, it was so good. The honey, the jalapenos, the cheese, amazing. Definitely recommend that. I'm not a fan of the caramel. Honestly, none of us are a fan of the caramel. It's okay because it's a milkshake. It was a caramel crumble.
It's not caramel.
Okay, it's butterscotchy, like,
Yes. 1000% butter.
but like fake, strong butterscotch. It was weird.
No, it's good if you want it. Like, no, you can't yuck someone's
And
yum.
the crumbles were like,
Butterscotch pieces.
some were butterscotch, like crunchies, and some were kind of like more mushy, like
You're gonna make a mess.
No, there's like a
piece of white chocolate or something like that. I don't know. It felt like they were like white chocolate chunks. I don't know. Anyway, highly recommend the sandwich. Wouldn't recommend the
This one is better than this.
Unless you like it.
milkshake, but yeah, you might like it. I just didn't.